Hey everyone, welcome back. Apple users can now seamlessly backup and access their iPhone photos through Xiaomi Cloud, thanks to a recent update to the Xiaomi Interconnectivity app on iOS. The updated app now offers full support for syncing photo albums on iPhone and iPad devices running iOS 14 or later. With this release, users can upload their entire photo libraries directly to Xiaomi Cloud, Xiaomi's proprietary cloud storage service. This is the first time Xiaomi has enabled native photo backup functionality for Apple devices. Previously, the Xiaomi Interconnectivity app for iOS offered limited features, mainly focused on file transfer and device discovery between Apple and Xiaomi devices using a shared Xiaomi account. The latest version expands its capabilities by allowing iPhone users to upload, browse, and manage their photo libraries in Xiaomi Cloud, making them accessible from other Xiaomi devices, including those powered by HyperOS. It's worth pointing out that Xiaomi refers to the new functionality as a cloud album, mirroring the native photo backup experience available on its own smartphones. It supports automatic photo backups, real-time synchronization across devices, and access to full resolution images, all within the app. This integration is aimed at simplifying cross-platform data management for users navigating both Apple and Xiaomi ecosystems.